is Samsung QLED. Samsung QLED, quantum dot LED, is a TV technology developed by Samsung that enhances color accuracy, brightness, and picture quality using quantum dots. While Samsung is the leading manufacturer of QLED TVs, other brands also produce QLED-based models. Below is a detailed explanation of what Samsung QLED is and how it works. 1. What is QLED? QLED, quantum dot LED, is a display technology that uses a quantum dot layer to improve color accuracy and brightness. Unlike OLED, which has self-lit pixels, QLED TVs rely on LED backlighting. 2. Is Samsung the only QLED manufacturer? Samsung is the primary innovator of QLED TVs, but other brands like TCL, Hisense, and Sony also use quantum dot technology in their displays. However, Samsung QLED TVs are often considered the best in terms of quality and features. 3. How does QLED compare to other technologies? QLED versus OLED. QLED TVs offer higher brightness and no burn-in risks, while OLED TVs provide deeper blacks and better contrast. QLED versus LED. QLED is an enhanced version of LED, offering better colors and brightness. 4th, smart features and performance. Samsung QLED TVs run on Tizen OS, providing built-in apps, voice assistants, Bixby Alexa, Google Assistant, and gaming enhancements like HDMI 2.1 and VRR. 5. Available models and price range. Samsung QLED TVs come in various models, from affordable 4K options to premium 8K versions. They cater to different budgets while maintaining high-end picture quality. 6. Is Samsung QLED a good choice? Yes, Samsung QLED TVs are a great choice for those who want bright displays, vibrant colors, and long-lasting durability. They are ideal for well-lit rooms, gaming, and smart TV features. Samsung QLED is a premium TV technology developed by Samsung, offering exceptional picture quality, durability, and smart features. If you're looking for a high-performance TV with stunning visuals, Samsung QLED is worth considering.